Students, in last video we discussed about quadratic equations. I gave an introduction to chapter quadratic equations and solved some equations. Now I will take some more questions of the chapter so that you are able to solve the assignment easily. The first question I am taking is 2x plus 3 into x minus 4 is equal to 6. There are two brackets. Two expressions are there, but they are not equal to 0. They are equal to 6. How do you solve such questions? First step in solving it will be multiplying the brackets. We will form the quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we will simply multiply the brackets, multiply them. We get 2x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 12 equal to 6. Solving the like terms, minus 8x plus 3x will give us minus 5x minus 12 equal to 6. Now we transpose everything on the left hand side and make right hand side equal to 0. This will be 2x square minus 5x minus 12 minus 6 equal to 0. This 6 on the other side changes to minus 6. This becomes 2x square minus 5x minus 18 equal to 0. Now it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and we have learned how to solve it by factorizing. So we will factorize it. What will we look for? 2 8 the 16. Sorry, 2 18 the 36 means factors of 36 we have to see such that their difference should be 5. This will be 2x square minus 5 will be broken as 9 minus 4 because 9 4s are 36 and 9 minus 4 is 5. Into x minus 18 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 9x plus 4x minus 18 is equal to 0. Method of solving is exactly same which I explained last time. Taking these two terms together, we are just factorizing the expression on the left hand side. This is x minus 9, 2x minus 9, 2 is not common, plus 2 common here, we get 2x minus 9 equal to 0. 2x minus 9 is a common bracket and here x plus 2 equal to 0. Since two brackets are equal to 0 by zero product rule, either one of them should be equal to 0. So either 2x minus 9 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. From 2x minus 9 is equal to 0, I get 2x is equal to 9, x is equal to 9 by 2. And from here x is equal to 0 minus 2, x is equal to minus 2. This is the solution. So if two brackets are given and the in product and the result is not 0, we first open the bracket, transpose everything to left hand side, make right hand side 0, and then solve by previous method, that is by factorizing the expression on the left hand side. Next question. X plus 1 upon x is equal to 2 whole 1 upon 2. How do you change it into quadratic form? This x plus 1 upon x, no denominator means we can consider it 1. Now we take LCM of 1 and x, that is x, and just solve like fractions are solved. This will be 1 into x is x, so this will become x square, x into x is x square plus 1 because x is already here. X is already present means 1 1s are 1, x 1s are x. Simple fractions like we solved, that way we are solving. This will in mixed fraction, change it into improper. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 will give us 5 upon 2. Now to change it into quadratic form, that is right hand side should be 0, we first cross multiply these terms. Means we take 2 to the left hand side, 2 into x square plus 1 is equal to 5 into x. We change it into an quadratic equation form. This will be 2x square plus 2 is equal to 5 into x is 5x. Everything to be taken to left hand side to make right hand side 0. This will be 2x square. 5x on taking left hand side becomes minus 5x, and this plus 2 is copied as it is. This is again of the form ax square plus bx plus c, with b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 2 and a is equal to 2. Again the method of solving will be by factorizing. We will look for the factors of 2 2s are 4. Factors of 4 we have to see such that plus sign shows their sum should be equal to 5, means 4 1s are 4. 2x square minus, this will be broken as 4 plus 1x plus 2 equal to 0. 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. In these two terms, 2x is common. What is left? X minus 2. In these two terms, minus 1 will be common. X minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2 is common, and here 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Either one of them should be equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. From here we get x is equal to 2, or from here 2x is equal to 1, or x is equal to 1 upon 2. So x is equal to 2 and 1 upon 2 is the solution of given equation. Next question I am taking is x minus 1 upon x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 5 upon 3x minus 7. Now this term contains fraction on left hand side and right hand side as well. How do you solve it? First you change it into quadratic form. We did in previous question also. After obtaining two fractions on left hand side and right hand side, we cross multiply them. Cross multiply them. This will become x minus 1 into 3x minus 7. Cross multiplication is equal to 2x minus 5 into x plus 1. On multiplying these two brackets, what I am getting is 3x square minus 10x plus 7. Multiplication will give this, and multiplication of these two will give me 2x square minus 3x minus 5. This is the result that I am getting. Again, same steps will be followed. Collect the terms on left hand side and right hand side become 0. So I get 3x square minus 10x plus 7. Taking it on left hand side, minus 2x square. This becomes plus 3x and this becomes plus 5 is equal to 0. Solving the given expression, that is like terms will be added and subtracted. 3x square minus 2x square will give me x square. Minus 10x plus 3x will give minus 7x. 7 plus 5 will give 12 is equal to 0. Now same step will be followed. We will be factorizing the expression. Factorizing the expression, 12, two factors of 12 so that their sum is 7. Factors will be 3 and 4. So x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. In these two terms and in these two terms. Taking x common here, what do I get? X minus 3, and taking minus 4 common here, I get x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3 is a common bracket and x minus 4 is here. So either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. From here x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 4. This is how the question is solved. Let us discuss one more question. The question is 8 upon x plus 3 minus 3 upon 2 minus x is equal to 2. We have two fractions on left hand side and they are given in difference. First step will be solving these and converting them into single fraction. So first I will take solving the fractions, taking the LCM. LCM of x plus 3 and 2 minus x is always equal to their product, that is x plus 3 into 2 minus x. This is LCM of these two terms. This is how we take LCM. Now x plus 3 is already there, so 8 will be multiplied with 2 minus x. And because 2 minus x is already present here, that is LCM, one part of LCM is there, this 3 will be multiplied with x plus 3. And this is given equal to 2. Open the bracket, I get 16 minus 8x minus 3x minus 9 upon, multiply these two brackets, the result which I am getting is 2x minus x square plus 6 minus 3x is equal to 2. Now this will be solving like terms. Minus 8 minus 3 will give me minus 11x minus 9 upon, this will be minus x square minus x plus 6 is equal to 2. This is what we are getting. No denominator means 1 will be here. Again cross multiply these two to change it into equation of the quadratic form that we have learnt. This will be 16 minus 11x minus 9 because into 1 remains the same. This is 2 into, this whole will be bracket this whole will be written in bracket and multiplied by 2. Minus x square minus x plus 6. This is what we are getting. Just 16 minus 11x minus 9 is equal to minus 2x square minus 2x plus 12. Next step, same, transposing everything to left hand side and making right hand side 0. What we'll get? 16 minus 11x minus 9. Minus 2x square becomes plus 2x square. Minus 2x becomes plus 2x. Plus 12 becomes minus 12. And right hand side becomes 0. We have taken everything to left hand side. Again, solve the like terms. What you will get after solving, this is 2x square, no x square term is there. This will be 2x square minus 11x plus 2x will give us minus 9x. 16 minus 9 minus 12 will be equal to minus 5 equal to 0. Again, factorize the given expression. How do you factorize? 2 5s are 10. Means factors of 10 so that their difference should be 9. Means 10 ones are 10 will be taken. 2x square minus 10 minus 1x minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 10x plus x minus 5 should be equal to 0. In these two terms, 2x is common. What is left? X minus 5 plus 1, x minus 5. Same method you have been using for all the questions. X minus 5 is a common bracket and 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Either one of the brackets should be 0. Then only the product can be 0. So, x minus 5 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. From here, x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 1 upon 2 from this expression. So these were some of the questions. I have tried to take one question of each type. Now I hope you will be able to solve the assignment easily. Practice the questions and we'll meet next time with new chapter. Thank you.